Picture a cosmic wanderer, a jagged chunk of rock the size of a 15-story skyscraper, drifting through the vastness of space with the carefree swagger of a lone traveler. This is 2024 YR4, a near-Earth asteroid that's been stealing headlines and sparking sleepless nights. Measuring between 53 and 67 meters, 174 to 220 feet in diameter, this celestial drifter was first spotted on December 27th, 2024, by a vigilant telescope in Chile, part of a global network designed to catch these cosmic interlopers before they get too close for comfort. Classified as an Apollo-type near-Earth object, it's one of those space rocks whose orbit crosses Earth's path, raising the stakes for a potential collision. By February 2025, this asteroid climbed to level 3 on the Torino scale, a system that ranks the risk of cosmic impacts from 0, meaning no worries, to 10, a code red for global catastrophe. Level 3, that's a wake-up call, signaling a low but significant chance of localized devastation. Only one other asteroid, spotted 2 decades ago, ever climbed higher, briefly hitting level 4. The name 2024 YR4 might sound like a cryptic password, but it's just astronomy's way of keeping tabs. 2024 marks the year of discovery. Y points to late December, and R4 tags it as the 117th asteroid logged in that period, a mundane code for an object that's anything but ordinary. So what's the latest twist in this cosmic saga? Buckle up, because the story's taken a wild turn. Back in February 2025, the odds of 2024 YR4 slamming into Earth on December 22, 2032 were pegged at a nerve-wracking 1 in 45, roughly 2.2%. That's not a number to shrug off when you're talking about a space rock capable of unleashing chaos. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, triggering a global scramble to track this rogue asteroid. Telescopes worldwide swung into action, capturing every possible detail, while space agencies, backed by the United Nations, began plotting ways to fend off this potential threat. This wasn't just a blip on the radar, it was a high-stakes game of cosmic roulette. At its peak, the asteroid's odds of hitting Earth spiked to 3.1%, the highest ever recorded for an object of its size. That's enough to make anyone's heart skip a beat. Before it was even spotted, 2024 YR4 had already buzzed past Earth on Christmas Day 2024, coming within 828,800 kilometers, 515,000 miles, or about 2.15 times the distance to the Moon. Close enough to raise eyebrows, but far enough to keep us safe. For now, the next rendezvous is set for December the 17th, 2028, when it'll pass at a more comfortable 8 million kilometers, 5 million miles, or 20 times the Earth-Moon distance. But here's the catch. From April 2025 to June 2028, this asteroid will vanish from our telescope's view, too faint and distant to track. That gap in surveillance is a cosmic blind spot, leaving scientists racing against time to gather critical data before it slips into the shadows. Size matters when it comes to asteroids, and 2024 YR4's dimensions are a key piece of the puzzle. Early estimates, based on how much sunlight it reflects, suggested a diameter between 40 and 90 meters, 1,300 to 295 feet. That's a wide range, clouded by uncertainty about its albedo or reflectivity, A shiny asteroid looks bigger than a dull one, even if they're the same size. Initial calculations pegged it at around 54 meters, 177 feet, roughly the size of the space rock that flattened a Siberian forest in 1908 or carved out Arizona's meteor crater eons ago. To pin down its true size, scientists needed more than just visible light observations. They needed heat signatures, radar, or even a spacecraft to get up close and personal. The stakes? A rock this size could pack a punch, and knowing its exact dimensions could mean the difference between a sigh of relief and a global alert. The early months of 2025 were a roller coaster of probabilities. At the end of January, the odds of impact stood at 1.3%. By February, they climbed to 1.7%, dipped to 1.4%, then surged to 2.3% before hovering around 2 to 3%. These swings weren't just numbers. They were a stark reminder of how little we know about a newly discovered asteroid. It's like trying to predict a storm with only a handful of weather reports. At first, the possible paths of 2024 YR4 included some that put it on a collision course with Earth. But as more data poured in, those paths narrowed, like a blurry image coming into focus. The initial spike in risk wasn't because the danger grew. It was because our understanding of the asteroid's orbit was still fuzzy. Each new observation sharpened the picture, but the uncertainty kept hearts racing. What kind of havoc could 2024 YR4 wreak? To answer that, scientists looked at its composition, speed, and mass. Based on early estimates, an impact could unleash energy equivalent to 7.7 megatons of TNT, 500 times the force of the Hiroshima bomb. That's not enough to wipe out life as we know it, but it's more than enough to ruin a city's day. Given its rocky makeup, experts predicted it would likely explode in the atmosphere, creating an airburst like the one that leveled 80 million trees over 2,000 square kilometers in Tunguska, Siberia, in 1908. That event, caused by a similarly sized asteroid, was a wake-up call, a reminder that even a small space rock can pack a catastrophic punch. If it hit a populated area, the results could be devastating. Compare that to the Chelyabinsk meteor of 2013, a 20-meter object that exploded 30 kilometers above Russia, shattering windows, damaging 7,200 buildings, and injuring over 1,500 people with a mere 500 kilotons of energy. 2024 YR4, potentially 3 times larger, could dwarf that event. Or take Meteor Crater, formed 50,000 years ago by a 50-meter iron asteroid that slammed into Arizona at 12.8 kilometers per second, gouging a 1.2-kilometer wide, 170-meter deep scar in the desert. If 2024 YR4 followed suit, the fallout would depend on where it hit, land or sea, city or wilderness. Faced with this cosmic gamble, scientists rolled up their sleeves and got to work on defense strategies. The playbook? A mix of high-tech and sci-fi-inspired tactics. First up, the kinetic impactor, tested in 2022 when a spacecraft smashed into a harmless asteroid moonlet, nudging its orbit in a historic first. The idea is simple. Slam a spacecraft into the asteroid at high speed, and even a tiny course correction can send it veering millions of kilometers off target over time. Then there's the gravity tractor, a slower but elegant approach where a heavy spacecraft hovers near the asteroid, using its gravitational pull to tug it off course. For bigger threats, landing thruster-equipped probes on the asteroid's surface could push it aside. If all else fails, there's the nuclear option, detonating a warhead to shatter or deflect the asteroid, though that risks creating a swarm of smaller, harder-to-track fragments. And for a touch of cosmic creativity, there's the idea of painting the asteroid's surface to make it reflect more sunlight, letting solar radiation gently nudge it away, like a sailboat catching a breeze. The catch? All these methods need time, years, ideally decades, to work. With 2024 YR4's 2032 deadline, the clock was ticking. If deflection failed, where might this asteroid strike? Early projections mapped a risk corridor stretching across the globe, from northern South America across the Pacific, through Africa, the Arabian Sea, and into South Asia. Nations like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, imagine witnessing a lunar impact in real time. A dazzling flash, visible to the naked eye, followed by a cloud of glowing debris. With a decent backyard telescope, you could watch the aftermath unfold, spotting a fresh crater as a bright scar against the moon's grey expanse. Professional observatories would have a field day, using spectroscopy to analyze the ejected material and seismic sensors to probe the moon's interior. It'd be like a free science experiment, courtesy of the cosmos. A professor of physics once put it perfectly. A lunar impact would be a golden opportunity to study crater formation up close, with no risk to Earth. It's a chance to watch geology in action, revealing secrets about the moon's subsurface and refining our understanding of cosmic collisions. The game changer in this saga came from a space telescope that's rewriting the rules of astronomy. On March 26, 2025, it turned its infrared gaze on 2024 YR4, capturing heat signatures that ground-based telescopes couldn't. Over 5 hours, it watched the asteroid spin every 19.5 minutes, confirming its rotation and nailing down its size to a tighter range, 53 to 67 meters, with a best guess of 60 meters. This isn't just a number, it's a critical clue. The data revealed a rocky, S-type asteroid with a reflectivity of 8 to 18%, colder than expected, suggesting a denser, sturdier composition. That's a big deal. A solid asteroid is harder to deflect, but also less likely to fragment in the atmosphere, which matters if it were ever to threaten Earth. For now, it's the moon's problem, and these insights are helping scientists refine the odds of a 2032 lunar strike. Flashback to June 24th, 1178, when monks in Canterbury, England, reportedly saw a flaming fire on the moon's crescent, followed by a writhing cloud of dark smoke. Some astronomers believe they witnessed an asteroid impact that formed the 22-kilometer-wide Giordano Bruno crater. If true, it was a far bigger event than what 2024 YR4 could produce. But the story's debated. No meteor shower followed, which you'd expect from such a massive collision. Still, it's a haunting reminder that the moon's been Earth's cosmic shield for centuries, taking hits so we don't have to. A 2032 impact would be a modern echo of that ancient spectacle, a front-row seat to a cosmic drama. What happens if 2024 YR4 hits the moon? Picture a high-speed crash at 31,300 miles per hour. The asteroid would vaporize on impact, blasting lunar soil into a glowing plume. Most of the debris would fall back, forming a ring around a fresh crater. Unlike Earth, The moon has no atmosphere to slow the asteroid or burn it up, so the full force would reshape the surface. Scientists could study the exposed subsurface, map seismic ripples, and glean clues about the moon's ancient history. If the impact hits the far side, it'd be a rare chance to probe a region we seldom explore. Instruments left by past lunar missions could even pick up the vibrations, offering a free peek at the moon's inner workings. The next big moment comes in May 2025, when the Space Telescope will take another look at 2024 YR4 before it fades from view. These observations will sharpen the asteroid's orbital path, potentially pushing the lunar impact odds up or down. After mid-April, ground-based telescopes will lose sight of it, leaving us in the dark until 2028. That's when 2024 YR4 swings back into view, giving scientists a final chance to lock in its trajectory before the 2032 flyby. Until then, they'll crunch existing data, tweaking models to predict whether the moon's in for a cosmic fireworks show or just another near miss. So how's our planetary defense holding up? The 2024 YR4 saga is a real-world stress test, and the results are mixed. On the plus side, the response was lightning fast. Within weeks, the global network of astronomers mobilized, telescopes pivoted, and a space telescope was repurposed to study the threat. The system worked, ruling out an Earth impact in record time. But the gaps are glaring. A 3-year blind spot looms, leaving us to rely on data snapshots until 2028. Size estimates took months to refine, highlighting how much guesswork still goes into tracking these cosmic bullets. And then there's the bigger question, what about the asteroids we don't see? The 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor, a 20-meter sneak attack from the sun's glare, proved how vulnerable we are to untracked threats. It hit without warning, injuring thousands and exposing the limits of our surveillance. The good news? We're not defenseless. The 2022 mission that nudged an asteroid's moonlet proved we can alter a space rock's path. It's like cosmic billiards. Hit the target just right, and you can redirect it. Telescopes are getting sharper, and new missions are in the works to spot smaller, sneakier asteroids. But the reality check is sobering. Funding for planetary defense often takes a back seat to Earth-bound priorities. International cooperation, while strong in this case, isn't guaranteed for every threat. And the technology, while promising, needs time to scale up. If 2024 YR4 had been on a collision course, 8 years might not have been enough to mount a deflection mission. For now, Earth's safe, and the Moon's potential date, with 2024 YR4, is a scientific jackpot waiting to happen. Mark December 22nd, 2032 on your calendar. If the asteroid hits, you might catch a fleeting flash in the night sky, a reminder of our place in a universe that's both beautiful and unpredictable. If it misses, we'll still learn something new about the cosmos. Either way, this cosmic traveler has taught us a vital lesson. We're getting better at playing defense, but the universe is a tough opponent. So keep your eyes on the stars, your feet on the ground, and maybe, just maybe, buy that lottery ticket. Your odds are still better at winning big than getting hit by a space rock.